What is the Bisaya of butt?
Kipot.
Huh?
Kipot.
Tipot.
Kipot.
Huh?
It's dagan. Dagan.
What? Dagan.
No, dagan.
Ela?
Kuha imong kalungat. Kuha imong kalungat.
Alright, another day. Wana tay alot on sa maniyoy. Wana. Let's have our Bisaya challenge for today since nagpalit man kong ice cream for the kids.
Didn't that happen like a few years ago?
You guys stay there on mommy's side. Come on.
That was my first time.
Come on. Go. Bisaya challenge. Alright, are you guys ready?
Sure.
Ready?
The father.
First category. I will show
Body part.
body parts.
You're sitting down and you're sitting down also.
Just the same height.
Who said it was the same height?
Ella win.
Okay, go. Raver, Rusty, you grab. But Ella will answer first. Then, okay, ready? Categories, body parts. Alright,
No thinking, no thinking.
Think, ready? First word is...
Ella's first.
No, you grab the two of you. Okay, Ella. What's Bisaya of eyes?
I don't know.
Mata?
Mata. Raver, you grab it. Eyes is...
Great.
What's Bisaya of eyes?
Kuya.
Naman ko.
Daddy.
Answer na!
Ha? Mata. Rusty?
Mata.
Mata is correct! Why you have hesitance?
I don't know. Mata was Tagalog.
Yeah, Tagalog and Bisaya the same. Mata.
See? You don't
Very
know.
good, right, Ella. Alright, next.
Sorry. No.
Ella, what's nose?
Ilang.
Ilong?
Ilong.
Ilong.
Sure?
Yes.
Ilong is correct! Next word is...
Down. Go.
Rusty, what is Bisaya of ears?
Dalongan.
Oh, damn. Mine was the
What is the Bisaya of... Are you sure? Is it correct?
Dili, tapos na po siya.
Dalungan?
Dalungan.
Maybe? Dalungan is correct.
Yay.
Very good. Next word is...
3 all man, di.
Rusty first.
Bibig.
Ha?
Bisaya.
Bisaya.
I don't know.
Bibig and... What's Bisaya of mouth? Come on, you cannot see the camera. Sit down properly.
Here.
I don't know.
5, 4, 3,
I'm too sure.
2, 1. Wild guess.
What?
No, Labor, wild guess.
I don't know.
You have any idea? Just... Ella, what's the Bisaya of mouth? The Bisaya of mouth is...
Can I translate it right now?
What's this? What's this?
A mouth.
No idea also?
No, we don't.
5, 4, 3. Mouth in Bisaya is... Bak.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah! Oh my god!
Oh my God.
What's that again?
Ba.
Ba. Next.
Go. Yes.
Ready? Boom! Yes, Raver. What is the Bisaya of fit? Huh? Tiil. Ella, what's the Bisaya of fit?
Yes, turn, cause paa.
Huh? Paa. How about you, Rusty? Tiil. Tiil is correct! Alright, next. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I should.
I need to think.
Raver, what's the Bisaya of arms? 5, 4, 3,
Arms.
2, 1, and Rusty.
Kilay.
Kilay. Kilay. Ella, what's the Bisaya of arms?
Kilay.
Huh? You're just copying Kuya.
No.
Huh?
No.
So what's this?
Kamot.
Arms.
Answer?
Kamot.
Come
I
on.
thought this was the only kamot.
Yeah.
He said arms, not hands.
Well, sa'yo yung una answer.
Daddy.
Yes.
Ha? What's the answer? Kamot is the correct answer. And you guys wrong.
Yeah, first answer first.
Wrong. Next.
I thought you meant arms by this, not this.
Those are the same.
Those are not the same.
Kamot is
This is
kamot.
hands, this is arm.
Kamot.
So it's just kamot.
Ready? Next word is...
You was down.
Boom! What is the Bisaya of butt?
Kipot.
Huh?
Kipot.
Tipot!
Tipot.
Huh?
Tipot.
Huh?
Tipot.
Tipot?
Tipot kanang.
You know tipot is part of the butt, but it's the butthole.
What?
It's the butthole,
It says butt
but
there.
basically the whole butt.
Babay, char.
Lobot.
Lubot.
Lobot.
Raver Lobot is correct.
What is this answer? I don't know.
4, 5, 3.
Lobot. Si Mami, so tinatang lobot, kalibangon na rin sa galit.
4, 5, 3.
Mami, let's finish this.
Ayaw eh. Kalimutan ko.
Alright. Next category is basic verbs.
Verbs. Oh my God.
Wait, I hate to go back to memory lane.
The loser
You learn
will
Bisaya.
make their own stuff.
But now we cannot learn Bisaya. It's not good for us.
The loser should do what they want to do. Like if they want to eat it, they have to make their own.
Okay, I don't care.
Okay.
I don't
If they
care.
want to eat, they have to cook it.
Next, verb, ha? Boom! Raver, what is Bisaya of run?
Wait.
Is that takbo or river?
Yeah, I know. It's the gun.
It's dagan, not dagan.
What? Dagan?
No, dagan.
Ella? What's Dagan?
Dagan. But maybe it's not dagan.
Dagan. What's Dagan? Dagan. Dagan is correct! Ready, next verb.
Correctly.
Ready, next verb is... Kuya.
I know.
Wait.
I know. 5, 4.
Not yet ba? Sleep.
Sleep. Ah,
Tulog.
you sure?
I don't think so.
Huh?
You want to change your answer?
Final?
I know. I don't care if I'm wrong.
Who's calling?
Family.
Cancel.
Yeah, but by now we need to do a challenge for Zach. The Bisaya challenge. What's the Bisaya of?
Shut up. Again, let's go back.
Okay, bye na.
The answer is...
Love you. I miss you all. Bye.
Tulog. I love what's your answer. Tulog. Tulog is correct. Next verb is...
No, I'm 776.
Yeah.
Oh, I know that.
Raver.
Ano?
What's your answer?
Kaon. Kaon.
Hey, sir! The dog is just...
I love our dog.
Sorry for that. The dog is so noisy.
We love our dog.
So your answer is...
Kaon.
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 Ella?
Kaon.
Kaon is correct. Very good.
I said 11. Somebody.
Next.
Baby!
Ay, sorry. Wait. Count. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go out.
Go out, wait.
Go out.
Hello. Okay, I'll go.
Rusty, what's the Bisaya of go out?
Lias. Lias.
Layas. How about you?
I don't know.
Like you go out.
Lias, dude.
Go ahead now. Go us.
Go us. How about you, Ella?
He's gonna cut the part of course.
Lias or gawas?
What's yours, Ella? Huh?
Next.
Isn't gawas like
Layas.
outside?
Yes. Well, technically, when you say just you go out, you gawas.
Woo!
But I can still accept that layas because when you say layas ito, you say since thing that you go out.
But you're just angry.
You're angry. Layas is like
Say synonyms.
major.
Major. See?
Layas. Next English word is kick.
Sipa.
Sipa.
Sipa. Rusty.
Ah, sipa.
Sipa. Are you
Ay, you
sure?
gotta copy that.
Wait.
Ila. Ella. What is the Bisaya of kick?
Sapatos. Sipa.
Sapatos. Kicks, yeah, sometimes kicks. Sapatos. What? Sipa, are you sure?
Let me sipa. No.
Are you sure? Sipa is correct. Sipa, very
Ako man
good.
sa siya. Check.
9!
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Lick.
Ay, no! Oh, no! Oh, yes, I got one.
Wait, Ella first.
Me
Ella first. Ella first.
Ella, what's the Bisaya of lick?
I know one right now.
What? No idea.
10,
No idea?
9, 8, 7,
Click L.
5,
You don't know?
4,
You always do that.
3, 2,
Keo.
1. To Billy.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't think of it.
To Billy.
Like
Do
it's
that.
there.
Oh, River. What is the Bisaya of lick?
Tilap.
Huh?
Tilap.
Tilap? Are you sure? Tilap? What's your
Same tilap.
Tilap?
No.
Are you sure? Tilap is correct!
Favorite is smart. So 11.
Let me have a bonus round.
Oh, no!
What? Convert this into Bisaya.
What?
Ready? You grab it, 1, 2, 3, go.
Ikuhay mo kalungat.
Anja?
You didn't get it.
Kinuhaan mo yung kalungat.
Anja?
But you didn't get it though.
Again.
Say it clearly, River, again.
Ikuha ang imong
No,
kalungat.
your sentence is...
Gikuha ang Gikuha. What's that?
Ikuha ang
Ikuha ang
I know.
Go ahead.
I don't know. Imong kalungat.
Ikuha ang imong kalungan.
I got it. First,
Almost
though.
there. Yellow. What's your answer? What's that Bisaya? Get your booger.
Wala.
Get your booger.
Get your booger.
River is ikuha ang imong kalungan. Yours is
Kuya kay ikuha imong lubot.
Wait, it's so close. I feel like it's a kuha because that's the
What is
What's that again?
Kuha.
Ella is
Oh,
answering.
wait.
Ella is answering now. What's that, Ella?
Kuha imong kalungat.
Kuha ang imong
Ang
imong
imong kalungat.
You're rusty.
You have to put one more
Him,
word for
her is
Ay, don't
kuha
get it.
imong kalungan.
No, one letter.
You're rusty.
kuha ah. Ang imong tulungan.
Again, what's that again? To be
Kuha
clear.
ah.
ang imong kalungat.
There! Kuha ang imong kalungat.
And then daddy said,
Ikuha.
daddy will say, wrong. Then you try your best, but you don't.
In Bisaya, get your booger and eat it. Then the answer, Rusty?
Kuha ang imong kalungat ug kauna.
You win.
What?
And the prize is the banana. The choking chicken. Yeah, that's for fun only. Alright. So we will cook you a very good dinner for that. Alright. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you.
Continue what you're doing. I love you all.
Oh my
Perfect.
God, it's ready for.
Katong na yung mga ginikanan diyan nga mga English speaking ilang mga anak dili sa paghilas sa Megala. Do it.
Billy.